वसुदेवं सुतं देवं नन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। ॐ कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। गोविन्दाय भ्यो नमः। कोई समझे भक्त सुजान, राम नित कृपा है। कोई समझे भक्त सुजान, राम नित कृपा है। कोई समझे भक्त सुजान, राम नित कृपा है। कभी कोमल हाथ प्रभु का, कभी कोमल हाथ प्रभु का। कभी कोमल हाथ प्रभु का, कभी कोमल हाथ प्रभु का। सब भात बदी कमलार भगवत रक्षा करते हैं। ओ भगवत रक्षा करते हैं। कोई समझे भक्त सुजान, राम नित कृपा करते हैं। ओ राम नित कृपा करते हैं। But wise people understand the power of God. Wise people understand the power of God. Why? Only a wise man. No wise man will make an error. There is no room for error in the wise man. And that's why the wise man is the closest to God. But all of us have a sip of that wisdom. All of us in every field, in every faculty in our life, we have that sip of God blessing to give us the power to be ourselves, to activate ourselves, to execute and accomplish our goals. And this one, if you minus this thing, this power of God in the form of wisdom, intelligence, wise, imagine what you are. And it says, if you are wise, then you will have answer for every moment in your life. Like what we are doing right now. This is a moment, but what does this moment calls for? Wise man will now sit down. They will not lament, they will not cry, they will not behave unwise, because to realize that Bhagwan Sri Ram says to Tara, you know Bhagwan Sri Ram? He says to Tara, oh Tara, why are you behaving this way? You know, behavior play a great role in moments like this. In this present moment, each and every member of this family, their behavior is very critical. Their attitude is very critical. A mother, father passed away here. A mother, especially in a mother. You know something called mamta? ममता के जीवन है सबसे प्यारे मूरत भगवान. Right? Mamta. You think the word mamta have any place for attitude? And you know when I use the word attitude, I use it lucidly. Because the moment that we are trying to highlight now is this. Whatever you do during this critical moment of that soul environment is important. When Pandit, from the day you bury to 10 days, unfortunately, some people don't know that you have to do 10 days. I want to tell you as a priest and as a qualified priest, 10 days is the most important ritual to be done when a person passed away. Not 12 days. And I have to tell you, thank God you called, whoever called me. Because you have committed an error. It cannot be corrected. Oh. You know, and we need to understand these things in our satsang. We need to understand. I would like to commend our Panditji. I looked at his program when I'm driving. God must bless you. Wish we can have many more like you. But you know what we got? Janki Patri. And that's sad. That's what we can in the Sanatan Dharma. So you don't have qualified priests that will stand by that link and hold on to that mala, and when it falls, quickly knit it. Tutke mala, multi-bikanchari. You see, when a family break up, when a family is separated, the fabric of that family depends on the attitude of the member of the family who's still alive. Not what you get and who you is. Has nothing to do with you. They're all about one place. Whether you get brown skin, yellow skin, dark skin, curly, hair straight, hair, whatever hair you get, When we die, we all going to the same place. Ya atmada baladayasya vishwa upasate prashisham yasya deva yasya chaya mritam yasya mrityuhu kashmai deva yahavishava videma. Anadhini dano deva shanga chakra gadadhara akshay kundrikaksha pretamoksha pradurbhava. And sarva dharma parityagya mamikam sharanam braja aham pap sarva papebhyo mokshishyami masacha. The difference between me and you is the attitude you have lived life with. Let us step down and come to the one balance where we'll understand all of us come into this world in one unique way. God blessing. It is through God blessing we all come on this earth. Whether you're human, whether you're animal, whether you're bacteria, whatever. As long you are a living entity, you're bhare bhagya manushatan pava surdhurlava sava grantanaga. You're only born there, you're born for a purpose. And the purpose sadhana dhamma moksha kara dwara. Who's talking? Not this body. That from the time you're born, you see God changes and teach you a lesson. You yourself to pick up in the mirror. You see this body? There's no greater teacher than your own self. Just pay attention to yourself. Don't wait for people come from that direction to teach you. From the time you're born, this DNA, this body is teaching you. And if you can't learn from your own self, who are you supposed to learn from? Bhagwan Ram says that we must able to cultivate in our life that feel we have control over our own self. And as long as you can control your own self, you control anything. As long as you can, when I say self, I don't only mean this body. When you can control your mind, you can control anything. Think about it. And this moment, it is where it calls for the family member especially to control their mind. Why, Pandit? So that soul can feed off of everything that occurs in this universe, beautiful environment, that the soul lingers. Meaning, Pandit, if you want to Pandit, then I say, Baiji. Yeah, right. I mean, take class for me. That's why it's me ordinary. Right? As long you have this control balance, this discipline that you have maintained, you can never lost. And when question asks, what do we do in moments like these? It have a very great impact, not only on the person who passed away, but also on the people who still alive, left back and alive. You know why? As long as that mother, how long you are alive, that mother is still alive. Why? Because she shares something called DNA. If you're doctor and so on, you don't think that. Right? And as long as you live, your mother is alive in you. Whether you want to say physical or whoever, she is alive because she brought onto this earth part and parcel of herself. So why then, when the soul ready to leave, knowing that she left a clone of herself here, we cannot maintain what she stands for. And somebody whispered to me, this auntie used to carry Pudam Pasad to reach out. Is that true? May just say from the grass, but I'm story And I want to commend the family member, the children especially, for keeping this satsang every night. You know why? This is what ought to be done. And Pandit mentioned, what do we do? Every occasion have their own activity. If you go and party, you play music and enjoy yourself. Drink your rum and eat yourself out. Don't stop. If you have a party, have a moment, enjoy it. God never tell nobody don't stop to enjoy life. As a matter of fact, the basic rules of our living a human life is to enjoy it. And if you choose not to, that you can't blame the God. You gotta blame yourself, your choice. When moments like these is another occasion, what do we do, Pandit? Satsang. Satsang. Not kusang. There's tuksang, yeah? Very laugh. There's sat. Sat means truth. Sat means that truth which cannot be tarnished, that will allow you to go free. And satsang is where truthful, honest, pure, beautiful things or activity take place. Vinu satsangavi vekana hoi. And to be in satsang, it means all your senses have to be under control. And if your senses is under control, then you never do the thing that is unsensible. This makes sense, I'm saying? If your senses is under control, the 5 senses I'm talking about, then you will sit in satsang, you'll do prayer. Pandit read some beautiful prayer that are appropriate for this moment. Why? Because those prayer create certain vibration that sync with this atma, with the soul. Just like when you're alive and you hear nice music and you drop asleep, eh? You ever hear a nice music and drop asleep? How much of you? Some people listen to Buju Bantan and drop asleep. Yeah, some people listen to Buju Bantan and drop asleep. But moment like this, not for Buju Bantan. For Hare Rama, Hare Rama. And so the soul goes to. I like to use a scenario. You know what happened to the soul? You ever like to Nagrabati? I said, you know Nagrabati like somewhere. Right? And you see this soot, this smoke float. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. And you're going to say, I'm back again. That's your goal for the soul. Let's use your imagination. So this 12th session of sitting in satsang is to create that avenue so that soul can peacefully dissipate into where? Heaven, Pandit, where are they? We're not alive to go. We not believe in that. Whoever Pandit that alive to go heaven, make sure I buy good ticket and pack the bag with it and return back to earth.
One-way ticket.
You have a book one way. And guess what? If you want to go heaven, be ready to dead. Because only dead man go there. We don't believe in that. We get something called Sanatana Dharma that leads you to that direction to realize that you are eternal being. You're a being that goes into the universe and recycle and just live the purpose of life. Because if you purpose got stuck in heaven, what happened to your life? The purpose of life. If I think, if you purpose to go heaven, everybody go heaven, who comes to make life happen? That's why life is one crop, not two. You get one only to live. Live it to the fullest and to the best of your ability so that you can live here. Sarva dharmam parityagya mamikam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami ma sucha. You can gain moksha. And dear moksha doesn't mean heaven again. Not heaven. That's better than heaven. When a soul is liberative, the soul do not join the company of suffering. You know right now, some of you back mo sa tayo. Right? Some of you might get one stomach ulcer. Some of you migraine was a this part attack too much. Some of you mind was a say, oh he attacked me. You see how much of pain when living this life you have to go through? And if you read Bhagavad Gita, very clearly, if you pay attention to it, don't you read them now. Pay attention to each word you're reading. And to read the Bhagavad Gita and understand it, you have to be in it. You have to be in it. Not read it alone. You have to be in it. And then you will see what will reveal. Not only the Bible will reveal to you. Not only the Quran will reveal to you. Not only the Ramayana will reveal to you. Not only the Vedas. That is one beautiful summary of life. The Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavan says here, in moments like these, you need to have this consciousness of realizing Him manifest in this beautiful home, because the soul is feeding off of it so it can lift itself off. Ali bang book left right there, not too heavy feet yet. Ali deed go left right. Somebody said, no, who's the deed there, right? You can't pay the insurance. Right? Ali left right there, because that too heavy feet fetch. You know what you gonna fetch? संसार है एक नदिया सुख दुख दो किनारे हैं ना जाने कहाँ जाए हम. You see the two banks that when you drive, you walk your boat there, and you see one lesser. The two banks, meaning you see this mine, you get two mine, one television house and one television surrounding. One tell is panita don't tap, one says I'm hungry. But one, which mind is more powerful? You got, isn't this true? Which one? You got two, right? But which one is the correct companion? The hungry mind. See? So, to feed this mind, Krishna says a very humble and simple thing, and that is, just remember me. Very hard, huh? If somebody just said, remember me. Krishna said, it's so easy. Just remember me. You ask if you fetch a tray of parasad and bring big check to Mandir. None God ever asks you for it, people tell you that. God said, just remember. But Pandit, me busy man, how make I remember? Before you can be busy, you have to remember. Think of that's fast. Before you wake up from your bed, you never got to remember. Huh? Huh? How you put your foot up wrong? If this not function. But Krishna says, the one thing you have to do, and how do I do it? Before me open my eye, I say, Jai Shri Krishna. Now sit down, God want plenty for you. You can want so much for Hero, right? He just wanted to say, Jai Shri Krishna. Some people never say so. They say Om. And you don't Pandit, you don't need a mouth, you don't need a tongue, you don't even need a voice to say Om. If somebody cut out your tongue, you still can say Om. How God make it so simple for me and you, and yet me and you need makaram. Ungrateful, disobedient. You ever see any makaram picnic? Watch yourself in the mirror. Every morning when you wake up and you do not say Jai Shri Krishna. I want to thank this family for having us here this evening. May God blessings be with you. And you have done excellent to have this satsang. I don't know how often you have it, but this is the code. If you want to do anything for your mother, allow satsang to manifest this environment so that she can feed off of it and become liberated. And the only, for that to happen, we never see up to now a dead man bury himself. That's where you get picnic. I'm very close. I want to say this and please pass this around. Please pass it around. You know, I go around some place and I hear some people say, Pandit, me tell them when they're dead, you must do nothing for me. I want to ask you this question. Have you ever seen this movie called Ghost?
Mm-hmm.
You start telling people not to do nothing for you if you see the movie. Because you don't know when you are in your spiritual world possessions, when you are chuchwaying, you know something called chuchway? I forget them term na gaya na term na. Na gaya na term, chuchway. Meaning nakmo talagot. Right? You see when the soul started chuchway and knock about and suffer, you pick them and enjoy. Then pick the book of flight and I got England. And you soul, because you just tell them that do nothing for me. And you soul become zombie or kala.
But some people don't believe zombie.
You don't believe. You can only believe something you don't know.
You're your own zombie.
Right? Again, you can only believe something you don't know. And if I'm telling you, where do you think they have the ability to make such a movie just to let you see what's going on? It's from the Bhagavad. Nowhere else. And if you study the Bhagavad Puran, you will know. And the Garud Puran, you will know what happens when a person passed away. Don't take it lightly. God is stupid for make the Anki and come. You know why you do that? What you sow, and that's where you reap. If God gives you an opportunity and you do not want to make the best out of it, you can't blame Him. With this satsang, we pray that Bhagavan bless this Atma, that all the karma that was cultivated and created through her existence and her children's life, may that soul enjoy moksha. May her soul, may that soul. When we say her, soul, when we ban on them, that's one name on you. Nobody ban their name. So the soul become nameless now. Right? May that soul become liberated and peaceful. Prem Sri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki jai.
We are the only ones who have problems in this world. But this song is telling us that whenever God comes, Jab Jab Ram ne Janm liya, Tab Tab Paya Vanvas. They come with their own suffering. Today all are the children and every one of us, we're lucky. We gather together, we give a funeral and a send off to Mataji. When Sri Ram couldn't come to his father's funeral. Imagine that. He had to leave the palace and go live in the bush. Forest, just like bush. See what God has to undergo. The Lord Jesus Christ, what did he do to him? He nailed him to a cross. Right? Arjun, who was taught the Gita by Bhagavan Sri Krishna, his son died in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And so yes, if God goes to undergo all of this, we also have to bear. There's no magic bullet for suffering. You have to bear it, says the Bhagavad Gita. काम क्रोध और लोभ का मारा जगत न आया जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया वनवास तब तब पाया वनवास काम क्रोध और लोभ का मारा जगत न आया जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया वनवास तब तब पाया वनवास राम हर के जुग में आए हैं, पर कौन तुझे पहचाना। राम की पूजा के जग में, पर राम की अर्ज न जाना। थकते थकते बूढ़े हो गई धरती और आकाश। जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया, तब तब पाया वनवास। तब तब पाया वनवास। काम क्रोध और लोभ का मारा, जगत न आया रास। जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया, तब तब पाया वनवास। तब तब पाया वनवास। तब तब पाया वनवास। तब तब पाया वनवास।
तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तो कितनी अच्छी है, तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। हरि प्रेम प्रेम भावी रूप जगी हरि प्रेम हाटिकाय बिन प्रेम की बिन प्रेम की मनवा भांग सीधे आई प्रेम हो तो आई प्रेम हो तो प्रेम हो तो ये नदी से प्रेम ढूंढा राजे
Let's all clasp our hands. Close your eyes if you can for a few moments. Don't think of anything else but this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mother. Would have once shared her presence, her physical presence, and even her spiritual presence in her emotion. In every sense, and let us ask Bhagwan Sri Hari, the one who loved you and I more than anyone else could love you and I. Let us ask the Lord. Let us beg the Lord. I was looking at a beautiful scene where Prahalad, everyone, Brahma, Indra, Varuna, even Shiva, none could have consoled and calmed that ferocious energy of Nrsimha Bhagwan. And they were requested by a devotee, Prahalad. And they said, "Oh Prahalad, only you have the power to convince the Lord to shant ho jao." That's the power of devotion. That's the power of devotee. So all of you are sitting, and I am just asking you to close your eyes and reflect. Don't reflect on yourself. Reflect on this mother that you've known. And ask God in your own little way, "Oh God, please bestow your blessings, your power, your peace onto that individual soul." We bow to you, O Krishna, O Vasudeva, Raya Paramatmane, Pranat Kleshanashaya, Govinda Namaha. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya, Devaki Nandanaya cha, Nanda Gopa Kumaraya, Shri Govindaya Namo Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatapate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Govinda Govinda Hare Murari Govinda Govinda Tanapani Govinda Govinda Mukunda Krishna Govinda Gomura Dharmatya Vetihi Om Ya Atmada Bhaladayasya Vishwaha Upasate Prachisham Yasya Devaha Yasya Chaya Mritam Yasya Mrityu Kashmai Devaya Avishavidemaha Om Karacharan Kritam Avaka Kayajam Karmajam Va Sravanayana Manasam Vaparahadam Vihitam Vihitam Vametat Shamas Swaha Jai Jai Karunabhye Shri Maha Devaya Shambhu. All of you should learn that prayer. Why? Someday you think, Pandit, may I commit no sin, you know. But guess what? You yourself know you commit sin. Karacharana kritama vaka kaya jamma karma jamma. From the time you start to think, you started sin. With that said, what if a karma would have manifested in the material life, physical life of this mother? We ask forgiveness from Lord Shiva that bestow this karma unto this Atma. May the blessings of Shiva erase, eradicate, purify this beautiful soul, that the soul merge into that realm where everlasting, permanent peace exists. Om Shanti, Shanti, Hari Om. Prem Sri Guru Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. I want to thank this family for having us here for this few moments to be with you in this moment. We pray that all the prayers that we do here give you some blessings, that you be able to recollect, balance, reshuffle, and understand life is a journey that is borrowed, that is lent to you. Use it cautiously. May God blessings be with you. That place is very cool out there. Make sure I put on my gloves when I before I get freeze finger. Me come out from the car 2 seconds, next thing me can't bend the finger.
I'm gonna fight for come America.
You know fight and people bring me come. मौत तेरे ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है। कितना Mother love.
My mostly from I come from Holland. It's from more people.
Oh, you come from Holland?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hear next one.
Oh.
मात पुत्र से प्यार किया है जितना कौन करेगा इतना नौ महीने उदर में रहा जब दुनिया में आया कौन करेगा इतना मात पुत्र से प्यार किया है जितना कौन करेगा इतना तपक तपक कर सुख से सुलाया गाकर तपक तपक कर सुख से सुलाया गाकर How much of you would wish to have a taste of your mother hand cook right now? How much of you would love to have a tap? You know tapak? A tap.
Whose mother? Shami mother of
Your husband can't tap you like that. Your children can't give you that type of tap. Only a mother possesses the power to tap you. You know what a tap